Here is how you can create an advanced AI chatbot in minutes. Everybody seems to be creating and selling chatbots nowadays. But the problem with that is that most of them are just not good enough, or they are just too basic. So today I'm going to introduce you to a chatbot builder that has some pretty unique features. I'm talking about GPT Trainer. Firstly, let me state that the founders are Caltech and MIT alumni, so they know what they are doing and it shows. So let's start by heading over to gpt-trainer.com. As you can see, they refer to it as an AI customer engagement platform, and you can get started for free without a credit card. And as you can see, they are trusted by over 7,000 businesses. And as you can also see, there are some pretty big businesses here as well. And they have been featured in Insider and Yahoo. And then here are some of the unique and powerful features. So AI-augmented support agent available 24/7, 365, automatic human agent alerting and handover. So the AI is smart enough and it understands when it needs to be moved over to a human. Conversational lead collection. So the AI is also smart enough so it understands when to collect lead data. Then you can book meetings on demand, so you can embed your calendar links directly into conversations. You have source tracking, advanced conversational intelligence and insights, automatic spam detection and safeguard. Our multi-layer AI-powered safeguard filters out malicious intents with 99.9% accuracy, ensuring safe and reliable interactions. This system continuously fine-tunes intent detection for ongoing improvement, as highlighted in our Turnberry use case. Now that in itself is really powerful. Built-in test and continuous improvement suite, fully managed contact center solution for your enterprise. And thereafter it also states multi-channel deployed anywhere, connect with CRMs. Native support for the most popular messaging channels, website builders and CRMs. Thousands more enabled through Zapier. So as you can see, they have Slack, Notion, Shopify, Drupal, Squarespace, Wix, WordPress, Zapier, Google Drive, and much more as well. And they even have some success stories as well. So they have real life use cases, and these are some pretty big companies as well. And then they have some great testimonials, and they also state that they put privacy and security first. And they have some compliance and data protection certification as well. And if you look on the resources, they have documentation, you can view the changelog, you can view FAQs, you can view their case studies, and they also have a blog, and you can also join the community. So they have a community on Discord, you can become a partner, you can become an affiliate, and you can refer a friend to earn bonuses as well. So once logged in, you will be able to create your new chatbot. Now I have a few chatbots already created. So you have two options. You can create from a template or you can create from blank. Now, if you create from a template, which is the one that I suggest, then you are going to be able to get a chatbot up and running in minutes because it has already been pre-trained. So you will just need to tweak it a little and make it your own, but all the hard work has already been done. So that is a great feature as well. So let's name this. So for this, I'm just going to create True Religion South Africa, display name that is optional. Then I'll click on continue. Now I have my template options. So I can start with a basic Q&A, and this says it's a simple chatbot designed for answering questions. Or I can go with Q&A with anti-spam defense, a basic Q&A chatbot with added spam protection to filter unwanted messages. Now, why would you want to filter unwanted messages? Because that eats up on your credits. Or even if you connect your own OpenAI API key, it's going to eat up on your OpenAI credits as well. And as you can see, this one says recommended for beginners. Then we have a Q&A with lead collection. So that means a popular choice that combines Q&A capabilities with the lead collection and spam protection. Then we have Q&A with human handover. That's a popular chatbot that handles Q&A, collects leads, includes spam protection, and escalates to human support when necessary. And then the last one is advanced Q&A, an advanced chatbot that includes Q&A, human support escalation, frustration detection, lead collection, and spam protection. So this has all in one. So let's go with that one. And then I'll just click on continue. Then the company or the product name. So I'm just going to say True Religion again. Then I need to put in my email address. So I'll just put in my email address. Then I'll click on continue. Now already I can preview this on the right hand side, as you can see, but I'm just going to close this. Then I can see chatbot personalization. So as you can see, chatbot logo, you can upload your company logo or preferred image, branding the chat interface. Then I can change the color, the user message color, I can change the button color, and then I can also edit the initial message. So currently it says, "Hi, I'm True Religion Gene Support Assistant. Before we begin, could you please tell me your name, email, and phone number so I can follow up in case we get disconnected?" So that's a great start, because what it's going to do is going to collect the data as well. That's the name, email, phone number. But if you want to edit this, we can edit it. Then I can click on continue. Now is the chatbot training. So I can skip this step if I want, but then my chatbot won't be trained how I want it. So you have a few options for training. First one is website URL, then website sitemap, and files. Now with website URL, I can just go ahead and choose my website address, then enter this here, and then this will crawl all the links on my website. Now, why would I want to choose a website sitemap? The reason you will want to choose website sitemap, and this is also the one that I recommend, is because this will also update with future additions to your website. So say, for example, you add in blogs continuously, or you add in more products. If you add in the sitemap, it's going to automatically update based on the sitemap. Now, if I enter in a website URL, it's only going to crawl the links that it has today. So that's up to you. You can train it on whatever you want. And then the last option is files. Now here as well, you can see there are many supported documents. So you can upload PDFs, docs, text documents, .md and .tex file types. Our system automatically filters out any invalid file types, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. So for now, just because this is an example, I'm just going to leave it on website URL, and then I'm going to click on crawl links. And then it says we are currently extracting URLs from the specified site. This process may take some time depending on the size and complexity of the site. Please be patient while we gather all sub URLs. So can you see it has already started working, and it's extracting the data, so it has understood the website. So now I can review all the links, and I can even delete any links if I wanted to. So all I will do is I will just click on the delete button on the right side, and that will remove it from the training data. And once I'm happy with that, I'll just click on add sources. And then as you can see, it says training, finalizing chatbot. We are training your chatbot with your sources. As it finishes up, you can wait until all sources are trained to try your chatbot, or you can proceed to the chatbot dashboard to configure your chatbot settings. So as you can see, it is training. Now, whilst that is training, I already created the same chatbot on the same data. So I'm just going to go to that one. So this is the one that I trained previously. So you will see some options. Firstly, you will see a dashboard, and this will give you a overview. So you can see your conversations, you can see your most popular sources, then you can go to your inbox, and this will actually show you all the previous conversations. Then we have sources, that's what it has been trained on, and I can even view the sources, or I can add to the sources if I want. Then here is the powerful part, AI agents. Now what this means is, although the end user is going to see one chatbot, there are actually multiple chatbots working in the background. And this is a unique feature that I haven't seen on any other chatbot. So, for example, this general Q&A, that's one bot. So the AI is smart enough to understand that now it needs to use the general Q&A chatbot, so automatically it will use that chatbot for the user. Then if the user has something with regards to lead collection, the AI is smart enough and then it will send that information to the lead collection chatbot, and the lead collection chatbot will take over the conversation. And then as well, same thing, if it needs human escalation, the AI chatbot knows that now this chatbot needs to take over. So that is pretty powerful, because now you're getting multiple AI chatbots working together. But this only works if the AI is smart enough and it can refer it to the correct chatbot. And that is what GPT Trainer excels at, because it does this really well. And then frustration detection, so it can pick up frustrations, and then it monitors for signs of user frustration and marks key conversation snippets with corresponding tags. So this is a really smart chatbot that's all happening in the background, and that's what makes this so powerful. Now, there's one setting that I missed out, is that I didn't show you guys that you can actually edit the prompts. And now, for example, I click on general Q&A. Now, here I can change the agent name if I want. I can change the description. I can even change the model that it's using. I can change the token limit distribution. I can even change the prompt. So I can view the prompt, how it has been trained. And remember here, I didn't do anything. It was already pre-trained from the template. So if I want, I can go and change this prompt. I can change the temperature. So those are the general settings. Then you also have variables. So if I click on variables, now I can add my own variables, session state storage, define the information you would like the agent to store in the session cache. Then they have knowledge. Now you can customize your agent's access to specific information sources within your chatbot ecosystem, or enable access to a wide range of information using Google search. So this even allows you to have Google search in your chatbot. And then it says AI can extend its search capabilities beyond the chatbot's built-in sources. And then I can just toggle this on if I want, and then all sources. And then it also has an advanced hallucination defense. Use our unique proprietary technology that serves as an additional layer of defense against LLM hallucinations, made up responses. And we know that LLMs tend to hallucinate a lot. So they even have that covered as well. And then the last option is functions. So here I can add in external functions. So in the functions tab, you have the ability to integrate external functions into your agent, empowering it to handle complex tasks with precision. Based on your defined instructions, the agent will intelligently determine the appropriate functions to call in order to complete the task at hand. And that's going to make this even more powerful, because now you can connect your chatbot to external sources. So that makes it even more powerful, because now you can tailor and customize it to you and your business needs. And another thing with GPT Trainer is the support is really responsive. So you know you're going to get good backup and support as well. And as you can see here, they also have something called AI supervisor settings. So if I click on this, here I can see rules. I can add my own rules if I want. I can add in intent. So here is a general Q&A. I can add my own intent, but this has already been pre-populated in the template. And then it has a bias or stickiness settings. So I can change that here as well. And this, when you put all of this together, that is what makes this chatbot so powerful. Because basically, they have thought about everything that goes in the back end and goes behind creating a great chatbot. And they make it as simple as possible for you to get a powerful chatbot up and running in no time. Then we have settings and appearance. Here we can enhance our bot's security and control. So visibility, is it a private bot? Is it a public bot? Is it an embedded bot? You can choose that here. Allow all domains. By selecting this option, chatbot can be embedded and used on any website without any domain restrictions. Now, obviously, if you're creating it for your website, you will restrict it to your domain only. Then you can set the message rate limit. You can even set a warning what should happen when the limit is reached. Then you can have a message credits limit. Then you have conversations, customized conversation features for a personalized messaging experience. So you can choose your time zone. You can add in chat session caching. Then they even have in-text citations. Now listen to this. Our AI bot credits sources and includes links to specific information it used from your trained data, promoting a reliable and informed conversation. So it can even do that as well. Then source access. When a source document or website is referenced in a chatbot response, allow users to access and download the reference document or access the URL. Then webhooks. You can tailor webhooks functionalities for a bespoke integration experience. So here is all about webhooks. You can choose the events, the endpoints, etc. Then you can have email notifications. So receive automatic email notifications for data collected from users during chatbot conversations. And then you can also turn on daily chat history, daily collected leads, and chat collected variables. Then you can even set up user identity verification and custom domains as well. Then we have general. We can change the chat name. We can upload our logo here. We can change the content size adjustment. We can change the initial message, timing control, the colors, the placeholder text, the source button label. Then we can even add in suggested prompts. Enable suggested prompts for users to quickly send chat messages, navigate to specified URLs, or compose and send emails. Then you can have pre-canned response. Then you can even add watermarks. So specify custom watermark to reflect your unique identity. And then you can have a watermark label, company logo, a name, or any other text or symbol you wish to use as a watermark. So that's something new. So I've never seen this on any other chatbot as well. Then you have a button. Personalize your chat opening button with a unique design and color to match your style. So that's just your icon and the color, and you can choose where do you want it, on the left or the right. And you can even add in a disclaimer, custom disclaimer for users to accept your terms before chatting, enhancing compliance and trust. So as you can see, they are big on compliance and trust as well. So you can enable your disclaimer here. So as you can see, this is a pretty powerful AI chatbot builder. Then we have collaborators, so you can even add in collaborators if you want. Then preview, this is where you can preview your bot. So let's try it out, because this bot has been trained basically on this website. And as you can see, this is an e-commerce website where they sell luxury clothing. So it's asking me, hi, I'm True Religion South Africa support assistant. Before we begin, could you please tell me your name, email, and phone number so I can follow up in case we get disconnected. So let's try something. Let's not add that. Let's just say hi, because we are not adding in that info. So let's see what happens. And then as you can see, it's smart enough, so it understood. It's still carrying on. So it says, hello, how can I assist you today with True Religion South Africa? So I can just say, I am looking for men's t-shirts. So as you can see, it says, great, you can explore our collection of premium men's t-shirts, which include bestsellers and activewear designed for style and comfort. To view the full range, please visit our collection here. And as you can see, now I can click on this and this will take me to where I want to go. But I can actually go even further. I can say, show me t-shirts that are on sale. And as you can see, it went to work, and now it's showing me all the t-shirts that are currently on sale. So it even says this one is 50%, etc. And then if I click on the sources, I can actually view those sources. So this is just a simple demo of how powerful this is. So imagine how this is going to enhance the customer experience. And it's going to make it so much easier. This is one example of an e-commerce store, but this could work for multiple different scenarios. And you can actually go to the case studies and you can see real life case studies from their clients. So now we went over a brief overview of the demo, but then once we want to deploy this, if we click on the deploy, now you'll see we have a few options. So if I click on link, this just gives me a link that I can share, and then anyone can go and test this out. Or if I want to add it onto my website, I can just click on integrate now and it'll show me how to integrate it. Or I can connect it to Slack, I can connect it to Zapier, Webflow. If I'm using Webflow, this will be an easier integration. Notion, I can integrate it with Notion. If I'm using Shopify, then it's easy to integrate it with Shopify. If I was using Wix, the same thing, WordPress, Bubble, Squarespace, and Drupal. So as you can see, it's really powerful and it's really simple to set up and get started. Now let's go over the pricing. We've seen how powerful it is, but let's see what is that going to cost us. So they have made the pricing very simple for everyone. So whether you are a beginner or a large enterprise, we have a plan tailored for you. So as you can see, they have a quick start and it starts from $59 per month. You can start with a free trial and basically you are going to use their credits. So with this one, you will not connect your own OpenAI API key. And you have options to choose GPT-4 models as well, Slack integration. Then they also have a $99 plan, which has more features. So it gives you more credits, more tokens. This one has 4 AI agents compared to 3 on the side. This one also includes Zapier integration, API access, webhooks, and human escalation as well. Then they have a scale plan, and then that goes up because here you can actually use your own OpenAI API key. And then they have a team plan and a pro plan as well. And you can choose annually, and then you can save 2 months on the annual plan. So there you have it. GPT Trainer is a great option if you are looking for a AI chatbot builder that is really powerful. Remember, there are many chatbot builders out there, but most of them are pretty basic. This one is really powerful. You will find the link to GPT Trainer in the description of this video. So let me know if you are currently using a chatbot for your business or for your websites. And remember, if you want to stay up to date with the latest happenings in AI and in marketing, just sign up for my newsletter. Just head over to asmaldigital.com/newsletter. Hit the like button if you found this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe or follow if you want to see more videos like this. Until the next time, I'll see you guys soon.